This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials: an Ethernet-fed PC and a Wi-Fi radio. Enable the wireless adapter and sign in with an admin account because you will change network settings. Open Network Settings now, locate the Ethernet connection that has internet. Once done, choose your method: internet connection sharing for simple setups, or set the PC to act as an access point for more control. Make sure you have an SSID and a secure password ready. You will enter them in the next steps. Now configure the sharing feature. In Windows, open Network Connections, right-click the Ethernet adapter, choose Properties, then Sharing, enable Allow other network users to connect, and pick your Wi-Fi adapter. Alternatively, create a hosted network or use mobile hotspot. Set the SSID and WPA2 password, choose 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz depending on range and speed. If devices require consistent addresses, assign a static IP on the host Wi-Fi adapter, for example 192, 168, 137, 1, then save settings and restart the adapter. Finish by connecting a phone or laptop to the SSID and testing a web page. Confirm the client received an IP and the default gateway points to the host. If you see no internet, check Wi-Fi adapter drivers, ensure Windows ICS or hotspot service is running, and inspect firewall rules that might block NAT. Once done, reboot the host and the client, renew DHCP on the client, and disable any VPN or proxy that could intercept traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.